more example on combination of already charged capacitors. Yes, already charged capacitors. See here, capacitor of capacitance 2 microfarad. Here again 2 microfarad. Yes, here 3 microfarads. So total 3 capacitors, no battery. Battery I am not taking. Yes, these 2 capacitors already charged. Its potential difference 100 volt. This is 180 volts, but it is uncharged. This is a C1, it is a C2, it is a C2. Yes, so students, now 3 capacitors I have taken. 2 microfarad, 2 microfarad, 3 microfarad, and these 2 already charged, but here potential difference given. Yes, capacitance into potential difference is a charge. 3 into 100, 300, that is 2 into 180, 360. 300 microcoulombs, 360 microcoulombs already charged. Now here it is a uncharged, but still these capacitors not connected. That's why charges, whatever may be the store, that charges intact. Now I am going to connect all capacitors. Yes, so students, now connections made. That's why charge redistribution takes place. After charge redistribution, now I am writing here charges. So this is plus minus. This charge I am assuming Q1. Means indirectly this is plus Q1, this is minus Q1. Assumptions now whatever may be done. You can take one plus, another is minus. Plus Q1 minus Q1. Yes, so similarly students here, this is a plus Q2, it is minus Q. So this is minus Q3, this is plus Q2. You can take this plus Q3, this minus Q3 also, that is your choice. Yes, now these are final charges. That is here plus Q1, here minus. These charges already previous charges. Now present final charges these are. Yes, now here students 3 unknowns there, Q1, Q2, Q3. 3 unknowns, so at least 3 equations required. Yes, first equation from here to here minus Q1 by 2. Here to here minus 2 plus that is Q3 by 2 minus 2 plus Q2 by 3 because this is 3 equal to 0. Potential difference in a closed electric circuit is 0 concept I just used here. Yes, now simplification 3 to 2, that is 6 is LCM minus 3Q1 plus 3Q3 plus 2Q2 equal to 0. This is the equation number 1. Now equation number 2, in isolated part of the conductor, law of conservation of charge continues. Yes, students, from here to here, previously how much charge was there? Only 300 microcoulombs. 300 microcoulombs equal to previously, because here no charge. Right now, plus Q2 plus Q1. So Q1 plus Q2 equal to 300. So therefore, Q2 equal to 300 minus Q1, equation number 2. Yes, students, here one more. This plate to this plate. Here minus 360. Minus 360 equal to, because here 0, right? Yes, previously here 2 into 1, 360 was there. Right now, minus Q1 minus Q3. So Q3 equal to Q1 plus Q3 equal to 360. Q3 equal to 360 minus Q1. This is equation number 3. Students, I am substituting 2 and 3 in the equation number 1. So minus 3Q1 minus 3Q1 plus 3Q3. Q3, 3Q3, 3 into 360 minus Q1 plus 2 into Q2 equal to 0. Now simplification, minus 3Q1 minus 3Q1 minus 2Q1, 3, 6 and 8, send that side. So this is total 8 to Q1 that side. Now still there. Here 1080 plus, yes, Q1 already that side, that side, that side. Yes, remaining this only. Yes, both plus 1680 microcoulombs equal to 8 Q1. So therefore now Q1 equal to 8. Students, Q1 equal to 210 microcoulombs. Q1 means this is the Q1. Once Q1 completed, Q2 also you can complete now. Q2 equal to 300 minus 210. So 90 microcoulombs. Similarly, Q3 equal to 360 minus Q1. 360 minus 210, that is 0. 6 minus 1, that is 5. 150 microcoulombs. So students, finally all our answers are positive, means your assumption, that is plus minus, minus plus, plus minus, assumption is correct. Suppose negative answer will come out, then definitely negative answer means your assumption, suppose here plus, you got negative answer, then simply write here minus this. Value is the same, but only sign is the different. Right. So this is Q1 value, Q2 value, Q3 value. Q1 means this is the Q1. Students, tell me here previously how much charge was there? 0. Here 0 was there. But right now, how much charge? 210 microcoulombs. Here 210 microcoulombs means from this plate to this plate, how much charge transported? 210 microcoulombs charge transported from here to here, that charge transported. So, but previously here how much charge was there? 300 microcoulombs was there. But 210 already transported. How much? How many coulombs? 90 microcoulombs. That's why Q2 equal to 90 microcoulombs. Then next you can now verify here also. So now students, from here to here some charge transported. Yes, next to here some charge transported. Yes, next to, yes, previously here Q3, how much Q3? Plus 360, plus 360 here, 360. But right now, only 150. So 360, now here 150. Definitely charge moved from here to here, here to here. So charge moved from here to here, and here to here, and here to here. So that is now after all charge redistribution, final charges. You can compare energy storage also. Previously here 0 energy stored, but now energy, that is Q1 square by 2C1 energy stored. Yeah, similarly here previous energy stored different, right now different. Previous different, right now different. But definitely here also there is a loss of energy because there is no any battery. That's why energy source not there, but energy wasted.